Okay guys, this is the final day and I am heading back to the airport. Bye brother Winston!
Take care!
Some of them walking down to the car. That's how far you have to walk go? The exercise they put me on.
So what you want? No fear?
You should know what that.
Hey Tommy, go with it,
Alright. Yeah guys,
Robert,
so
Mr. Marley.
Tommy got an orange.
heading back to Texas
No,
today.
PMP
It's
something.
bittersweet, but some things have to come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If it's your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share.
Seat back pocket containing personal items like tablets and cell phones.
Touchdown, baby, touchdown. Thank you,
As
Jesus.
items may have moved
Thank
in
you,
flight.
Lord.
And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Alright, so I'm here. I can't wait for my family to show up. Oh God, I'm having like butterflies and stuff right. Oh, I think that's them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there they are, guys. My baby and my babies. Oh my God, I'm too excited right now. I'm having like little butterflies or something. There goes my baby. Babes, I just walked out here, you know. I was just about to do a quick little vlog and then I saw you. And then- What's up? Are you being quarantined from me? Really? That's how it is now? Guys, I'm home. I'm home. I miss you so much. Hi, baby. Hi, Zion. Hi, IJ.
Hi, Mom.
Are you guys excited to see me? Oh, I'm so excited. My cheekbones are hurting. I get like that when I'm overly excited. But thanks be to God, I landed safely. Oh, I guess I'll sit in the back so I can sit with my babies. Oh, let me get on the other side. Hey guys. Hi. Hi, boo boo. What's up?
Mommy.
I don't think that's close. Your yellow dress? Oh, that's so beautiful. Hi, Ige. I missed you. I missed you as eyes. There's Malik. There's Mr. Malik right there. Hi, Boopsie. I can't believe you guys were videoing me. Really?
Oh, I'm so glad to have my wife back.
And we're so glad
You're happy to have me back, babes?
And we're so glad to
I
have
was
her
dreaming
back.
of this moment. I was having little butterflies.
How come you only listen to Dad?
Huh?
How come you only listen to Dad?
I don't only listen to Dad. Who says I only listen to Dad? I listen to you and Simon and Malik. Guys, I miss you so much.
Mom.
Like, I can't believe this is real.
So this is so
Yes,
much.
baby.
But Mom.
You like my hair?
So Mom.
Thank you.
Mom.
Wet your lips. Your lips are dry. Do this. And the bottom one. Huh? There you go.
Hi, honey. You're home.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. We just get a hi, guys. Give them a high five.
High five. Tired man. What is this? For me? Should I see if people be messy? Where would your car be there? They must say you probably drop it off and gone somewhere. Oh my God.
Can you?
Oh, honey.
You want to do that?
Hey, Zane. Oh.
So I got the love because it's a letter from all of.
Oh,
except
this
you know.
is so beautiful. Say it, look. For me?
After the whole design, I said she want balloon.
Oh.
We have to tell her, I said,
Oh. I was not expecting this candlelight. Oh, thank you, honey.
wow.
I love you.
I love you.
Can I get a hug, guys? Oh.
So we reached down there, so Malik locked the door and Janelle couldn't come in, so I turned back.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's a pretty balloon. Right, sis? This is so beautiful.
Especially.
Wow, I've never seen anything like this though. This is cute. Huh? Yeah, and then it got me flowers. Oh, so nice. And then I have salmon dinner. Wow. Thank you guys for a welcome home. Well, welcome home.
Celebration.
Welcome home celebration.
Wow.
I love it. So nice.
So Ian, these are supposed to tell me when time to do that close, so I kind of light the candle.
Oh.
So we need to light the candle and then leave. And then we hear the garage door open, so I already upon light up the candle, then when we hear the door open, I'm going
Wow. Thank you, John. Yeah, but still, I was not expecting this. This is nice. Honey, can I sleep with this over the bed tonight or somewhere? I want to wake up and see it in the morning. You guys just made me feel so special. Yeah.
You have to go to flowers for life to see.
Oh yeah? Yeah, I love it. It's really nice.
As you know, I run up and down from the city every year. I video call from Party City.
Oh wow.
My baby was too busy.
This is beautiful though. I love it. Alright, so I just need some tea now. I'm hungry.
Wow.
Alright, so guys, thank you for spending today with us. Bye. Ano? Pagin na pang quarantine. What the hell?